I am Terry O'Brien, and today we are going to create a mirror image using Photoshop. Hi, my name is Terry O'Brien, and today we are going to create a mirror image using Photoshop. The first thing we need to do is to open Photoshop. And when Photoshop opens, we're going to go to File, and we're going to click on Create on New, and that will create a new project. We're going to title this project Mirror Image. We're going to click OK. Now our next step is to bring in the photographs that we will be using. So I'm going to go to File, click on Open, and find the photos that I want to use. We're going to use an abstract purple background, and we're going to need to have my photographs. So we're going to go ahead and open both of them at this time. So we'll click on Open again, go to My Pictures, and collect my picture. So now I have two pictures open. Now what we need to do is we need to get rid of the background in this photograph. So what we're going to do is we're going to first of all create a duplicate layer by dragging and choosing the layer button, and this creates a duplicate layer that we will work from. Then we want to close the visual effect of the regular background so that we don't see that. So we're going to close that. Now I'm going to go and click on the Quick Select tool, and that gives me a circle with the plus sign in the middle. And if this is too big, we can use the bracket keys. The left bracket will make it smaller, so you have a smaller tool to use, or the right bracket will make it larger, so you have the larger tool to use. I'm going to use about a medium-sized tool. Now we just have to go across the picture and select the area that we want to use for the project. Once you have the area selected, you're going to come up here to this Refine Edge. You can also right click on and go to Refine Edge, whichever way you prefer. It's going to bring up a menu. And that menu is going to show a view mode, and you can choose whichever mode you want to see the background disappearing in. You can use the layers, the black and white, on black, your choice. I'm going to choose on layers. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on selection down here, the output, and we're going to click on a new layer, and we're going to say OK. That creates a new layer where the transparent layer is here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a quick mask. So we're going to drag this down and click on the mask, and it created a quick mask in the background. Now you can choose the Move tool, which is this tool here with the triangle and the plus sign, and we're going to move the image we have cropped into our other image. So you're going to drag it up, change pictures, holding down the click button, and bring it into the photo and drop it. This creates a layer on layer. We're now in the photo. Now we have to figure out what we're going to do and how we're going to do another layer. So we're going to add a duplicate layer. By dragging down and clicking on, and that creates a duplicate layer. Now we're going to go back to your photo that you cropped and we're going to go ahead and, where did my other layer go? Okay, we are going to go ahead and go up to the image, choose image rotation, and we're gonna move, and you can play with this a little bit. You can see that when you rotate it, it'll do a lot of things. It'll go up, it'll go 90 degrees, it'll go back, and then we can go 90 degrees again back to the original. Oops. So you can kind of play with that tool a little bit and see what you want to do with your photo. But for this, we are going to do a horizontal flip. And what that's going to do is that's going to change my appearance to be looking the opposite way. So now I'm going to take the move tool, make sure we have the move tool still. We're going to click on this and we're going to move it into that photo again and drag it down and drop it. So now we just need to place it in, and we have a mirror image, but we're not done because we have this wording up here in the photo that I chose. So we're going to go ahead and take the crop tool, the regular crop tool, and we're going to draw a crop line across and down so that we can get rid of those words. I'm going to hit enter to secure it. And there you have a mirror image of yourself. Now if you want to add another background to this, then you can go to File and you can open another photo. And for this one, I think choose some nice okay, we're going to choose this butterfly with the flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the quick cut tool, and we're going to take the background out. So we'll just kind of crop and get all this. Oops. If that should happen, just use the deselect, and I think I'll use a smaller tool, and we'll get the roundabout, crop out the flowers. Oops. Let's just crop out the butterfly. How's that? This doesn't work either. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and go to Refine Edge, And we're going to come down here, select another layer, and we're going to click on it. And then we can go ahead and go to our move tool. We will grab the butterfly and bring him into our purple background and drop him. Now I think I'll rotate him. So we want to go back to our butterfly picture. We want to click on him. We want to go to image and we want to go to rotate. And we're going to rotate him 180. How about an extra 90? There we go. And then we're going to bring him into the, and drop him. Oops, I lost him. So we're going to bring him up, click on here and drop him. So it looks like there's butterflies flying around. Bring him down here. And then we can do one more. And we'll go ahead and image and we'll flip him horizontally and pull him in. Oops. Try that again. Pull him in and drop him. Now you have butterflies swarming. Oops. And you have created mirror images of more than one item. That is the tutorial on doing mirror images. So if you want to save, you can save as, and give it a name. And now you have a photo to utilize. Thank you.